welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this very glam Thanksgiving eye look. I feel like it'd be fitting for Thanksgiving, not Christmas, but Thanksgiving. It's the right amount of glam and not super dramatic, not crazy. I just love the colors and how they combined and how they tie in with the lip. I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get on with the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some of these eyeshadow shields. I have not used these in a while. It's from the brand, I don't know, Shadow Shield is the original. This one right here. I got it on Morphe, and so I haven't used these in a long time. So I'm going to apply these on real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Oh my god, these things are so weird feeling. I don't know, they feel weird on, and they're so hard to put on, but I have them on. Do I look awake? I don't think I do. But the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the P.louise base in Rumour 02. I've been loving this base ever since I got it, ever since they started selling it at Morphe. Oh my god, I even got some of the Mitchell ones. I haven't tried them yet. I'm sure they're great, but I've been sticking to using the P.louise. I'm gonna go in with some of this, and I was recently watching the Patrick Ta video he did with Chloe Morello, and he uses this and then he applies foundation on top of the base. So after I apply this base on, I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on top. I'm actually intrigued. So I'm gonna go in with the base. I'm just gonna buff it out. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation in the shade 40 MG5. And I'm just going to take a little bit, just a little bit. If it comes out. There you go, just a little, not even a whole pump. And I'm going to use that same brush because I'm basically going into the same area. And I'm just going to pat that in. I'm going to go heavier on the outer part of the lid, and then lighter as I get in, as I go in towards the inner part of the lid. Don't know what I'm saying. Pat it in with my finger. He uses a beauty sponge, but I did not get my beauty sponge, and I'm too lazy to get up and go get it. I will eventually, but so now that I have that going on, for the eyeshadow palette, I'll be using this one right here. I have not used this palette in a while, so this is hopefully still good. This is one of the palettes I first got with BoxyCharm. It's a very me kind of palette, all the shades I would gravitate to. But I'm really excited to use it. I haven't used it in a while, so let's hope these still blend and work. But it is the Pure Soiree Diaries palette. I've always loved this. This used to be my go-to palette. Always used it when I went somewhere and I was going to take makeup or do makeup over there. I would take it with me because I absolutely loved it. And then there's another palette, but I haven't used that one in a while, so other. So I did not set my lids. As you can see, they are creasing. So let me blend them out with my fingers. But I'm going to go in with the first shade, which will be Stunner, and it is this shade right here. I'm going to start in the outer part of the crease and then just bring it slowly into the rest of the crease. Alright, now going into the next shade, which is Snazzy. It's this deep chocolate brown. I'm going to put that in the outer part of the crease, but just like a smaller V, just to give it a little bit more depth to the outer part of the eye. Alright guys, now I'm going to go into this metallic shade called Cosmo, and I'm just going to put that right in the outer part of the lid, or just like right here, just to tie it in with that snazzy shade that we applied. Actually, I did went ahead and bring it all the way into my crease, just for more depth, just directly into the crease. At first, I started on the outer part V of the eye, but then as I slowly blended it out, I blended it into the crease for a light deep effect, if that makes any sense. But now I'm gonna go in with Cosmo, and I don't think I've ever used this shade. It looks pretty unused to me, but I feel like I've always been afraid of darker colors like blacks and everything, but now I'm a bit more comfortable with them, so I'm gonna go and use that shade, and I'm just gonna put it right there, blend it, bring it all the way up to the crease as to where it touches, where I would open my eye and it would touch. Sort of like when you do a cut crease. Sort of like that. Such a pretty shade, honestly. And now I'm going to go in with Twinkled, which is this gold bronze, copper kind of shade. This is one right here, and I'm going to put that in the other half of the lid, but I'm not going to bring it all the way into the tear duct. I'm going to leave some matte there, because I did it one time before, unintentionally, just by accident, but I didn't bring the shimmer shade all the way into the tear duct, and then I went in with my inner corner highlight, and I loved that it stand out by itself. It did not blend in with another shimmer. It had something to separate it from that, if that makes any sense. But yes, I'm gonna go in with Twinkle. Then blend the crease a little bit. Alright, so that is it for the eye for now. As you can see, I left the inner corner without any highlight, because I want to put an inner corner highlight later on. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I might apply a wing liner. I'm not 100% sure. I'll decide in the next few minutes. But yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm now going to go in with the AV8 Dewy Set Setting Spray. I haven't used them as well. Oh my gosh, I hate these braces. Oops. Alright, so I'm going to shake it up. Alright, so let's move on to the lower lash line, which is about that time. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the first shade, which is going to be Splurge. Actually, first, I'm going to apply this eyeliner from Dose of Colors in the shade Caviar real quick on the waterline, and it'll be RB. Eyeliner is on. I'm now going to go into the eyeshadow palette, and the first shade I'm going to use is this shade from the palette. Is called Splurge, and I'm just going to use that as like a transition shade on the lower lash line. If that makes any sense, I'm just going to run it all over the lower lash line. Alright, so now I'm going to go into Stunner, which is the next shade, which is the first shade we used in our crease. And I'm going to go in with the same brush I'm using right now, because honestly, why do I already have so many brushes? I hate washing brushes. So I'm just going to do the same thing, but I'm not going to bring it all the way into the inner corner of the eye. Like that. Alright, now going into that snazzy shade, which is that deep chocolate brown shade that we used in the outer corner. I'm going to use that brush I used earlier for that, and it's the Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to connect the upper part with the lower lash line. Alright, so for inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with Cosmic, which is that shade. Well, actually, a mixture of Stardust and Cosmic. Stardust is this shade up here, and Cosmic is this one. I'm going to mix those two, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. Actually, I'm just going to go in with Cosmic. Right now, before I apply lashes and falsies, I'm going to do the lip real quick because I'm going to come back with falsies on. So, I'm back, and this I'm going to go in with this jaunty blue Spice lip liner pencil, and I decided to go for a more mauve kind of lip look. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So lips are lined, and I'm gonna go in with the Desi X Katie Dose of Colors Lip Velvet. I love the velvet lipstick in the shade A Mauve Story. I don't like this lip color. I feel like I need a deeper shade. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a 22 from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the color that I initially was planning on using. Don't know why I decided I didn't want to, because alright, so I'm gonna go into Aesthetic from the I Love Soiree and Dose of Colors collection. This is such a beautiful shade, guys. Like, if you guys have this shade, you know that it's beautiful. Yes, so much better. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyelashes and mascara. I'll be right back with the completed look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, I am back with the completed look. I added some hoops, put up my hair, put on a prettier blouse than what I had on going on. But yeah, so this is the completed look. What do you guys think of it? I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm actually surprised that palette still works. But yeah, guys, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of the look. And if you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!